Okay, I'm going to keep this a secret ZN1 troubleshooting video. This is only for the G's, no dicks at all get this info. I've just repaired this one here. What you want to check is this cap here is your main voltage rail, and it likes to leak on this RAM, so make sure the RAM and BIOS are clean and replace that cap. I also had to replace one RAM on here. RAM goes, if you're not booting, it could be RAM. So if you've got good voltage here, check your RAMs for rusting legs. I had to replace that one there. I also had to replace two caps here for the video. There's an op amp missing, but that's sound, that's no big deal for these boards anyway. And yeah, so I'll put the board on it and I'll tell you the secret codes. Okay, do you see that? There's four bands. You got that one, which is basically your work RAM and shit. This one, which is can't remember, but when it's on the third blue line, that's when it uses the cat chip and it goes into your BIOS. So it reads from 3000, runs it through the cat chip and dumps it into RAM. So that's that bar, and when it's loading, when the decrypting of the BIOS is done, it jumps to the green line, which is about there. You'll see it flashes up briefly. It shouldn't hang around. Boom, straight in, yeah? So that green means it's loading data, so you've probably got a bad top board if that's happening. Okay, so there's your secret codes. I've given the error codes, the B904s and all that shit on the forums, but yeah, fixing the ZN1, check that voltage rail, replace that capacitor, and if you're totally dead, make sure your RAM's good, make sure there's no rusting legs, and there you go, sorted.